Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare valerian root versus passion flower. We'll explore these two popular herbal remedies, often chosen for their calming properties. Many people seek natural ways to support sleep and reduce feelings of unease. We'll delve into what makes each herb unique, examining their traditional uses and how they might benefit you. By the end, you'll have a clearer understanding of which herb might be a better fit for your specific needs. Valerian root is primarily celebrated for its powerful sleep-inducing properties. It's often the go-to choice for those struggling with occasional sleeplessness. The herb contains compounds like valerianic acid, believed to enhance the calming effects of GABA in the brain. Typically, an effective dose is between 300 and 600 milligrams, taken about 30 minutes to 2 hours before bed. While generally well tolerated, some individuals might experience slight morning drowsiness or stomach discomfort. Passion flower, on the other hand, shines as a natural remedy for feelings of anxiety and nervousness. It's frequently chosen by those seeking a gentle way to calm their minds without heavy sedation. This herb's calming effects are attributed to its flavonoid content, which may also boost GABA activity. A common approach involves taking 45 to 60 drops of a liquid extract throughout the day. While generally safe, some individuals might notice mild dizziness or a bit of confusion. So, which herb is better? It truly depends on your specific needs. If your main goal is to achieve more restful sleep, valerian root might be your ideal choice. However, if you're looking to ease feelings of anxiety and promote a sense of calm throughout your day, passion flower could be more suitable. Remember, individual responses vary, and it's always wise to speak with a healthcare provider before incorporating any new herbal remedy into your routine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.